Hi there, welcome to the tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Surfin Bird as recorded by the Trashmen, which is available on the Uke Play-alongs channel on YouTube. In this video, what we're going to do is we are going to go over the chords you need to play the song on GCEA Soprano Concert Tenor Ukulele. We'll go over the chords you need to play it on DGBE Baritone Ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming a little bit. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. As a little side note, the Trashmen originally came from Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I teach in a suburb of Minneapolis, so that was kind of fun to learn about. So let's begin with the chords you need for GCA Soprano Concert Tenor Ukulele. There are only three chords. So you'll have the F chord, you'll have a C chord, and then an occasional B flat chord. And the C and B flat chords only happen like 3 times during the song. Now, if the B flat chord is giving you a hard time, there are some things you can do. First of all, you should check the action of your ukulele. The strings shouldn't be too high over the frets. If they are, you can have that adjusted. The nut is adjustable, the saddle is adjustable, so you can lower the action. You just don't want it to buzz. There are videos about how to do that, or you could take it to a luthier to have it set up. In general, you want no higher than 0.5 millimeters at the first fret, and generally no higher than 2.75 millimeters at the 12th fret. There are some exceptions depending on strumming styles, but those are really good tips. Now, with that, once you have your action set up, you take your first finger, put it across strings 1 and 2, right above the metal first fret, or plastic if your ukulele is plastic. You pull against the fretboard. That's going to give you most of your sound. We're not pinching, we're pulling. And then you add your thumb for some support. And just to prove it, I am not going to use my thumb. Those sounds just come right out. If I add my thumb, it just gives me more control. It doesn't make the sound any better. And then once you have that, you add the other 2 fingers. If your B flat doesn't sound good, just play it and keep practicing. Eventually it will come, but the real secret here is holding your ukulele securely and pulling against the fretboard as if you were going to launch something off of it. And those are the 3 chords you need to play Surfin Bird on GCEA Soprano Concert Tenor Ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. On baritone, the 3 chords you're going to need are the D chord, the A chord, and the G chord. Now, as it comes to the A chord, you're going to have some choices to make. I always play the A chord on baritone with my first finger at the top of the 3rd string 2nd fret, which allows me to switch from the D chord to the A chord, leaving that first finger as a pivot point. So I put those fingers in there sort of like a tiny D7, all within that 1 fret. That's how I play that A chord. You can play the A chord with fingers 1, 2, and 3. You can play the A chord with fingers 2, 3, and 4, with 2 fingers covering strings 4 and 3, and then adding the other one on string 2. You can also bend your ring finger and play strings 4, 3, and 2, leaving the first string open. Whatever works best for you is what you should use. I'm going to always use that little stacked version that I talked about first. Whatever you do, please just don't play the A chord with your thumb. As it comes to strumming, there are 3 rules. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady tempo. And third, play in a style that matches the music. As long as you're doing that, you're right. There is not one single right answer here. This video just gives you suggestions of things that you can do to play it. So I'm just going to use the key of F here. I'll show it on baritone in just a second with the baritone chords as well. And I'm just going to use an F chord here, and then I'll use a D chord with baritone in a second. But there's really an emphasis here on beats 2 and 4. So if you just wanted to go rest 2, 3, 4, rest 2, 3, 4 through the whole song, that would work great. You can also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, bringing out a stress on 2 and 4. The other thing that I get tempted to do is to play a fast 4, going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And a lot of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and with trying to get an emphasis on beats 2 and 4 still. If you're going to do that, make sure that you're keeping your wrist fluid and you're moving up and down. you're not freezing, and you're just getting a little bit of extra strength on tune 4 with an extra little bit of effort on the downstrum on tune 4. So it's working really hard to try to get tune 4 to ring out. And then as you change chords, those couple of spots to like the C chord, it's going to work just fine. Now let me show you in the key of D as well on baritone. So just like the key of F on GCEA soprano concertina ukulele, I hear the emphasis on beats 2 and 4. So you could play just beats 2 and 4. So starting on the D chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Works great. You could also play 1, 2, 3, 4, bringing out tune 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The other option is to do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like this. But then try to bring out beats 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You'd even do that for the chord changes today. If you hear something else or you just want to play downstrums, you can do that too, again, as you follow those big 3 rules. All right, so with those chords and that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Surfin Bird as recorded by the Trashmen. Thanks so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.